Hello everyone. I am PRUTHVI from first year CSC. Startup company BB Innovation. Product present name car. Product proposal name space car. Mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product has said by the customers during the empathizing activity. First one, change its color. Second one, flying car. Based on the empathizing stage and considering the feelings and the requirements of customers, many new features are added to the existing product. Existing product name car, futuristic product name space car. Some of the additional features to be added or mentioned here. First one, smooth wheels. Second one, underground moving car, giving command to car it should work as we say. Third one, change color and pattern. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured due to the time constraints. The mentor had advised to draw a sketch. The sketch is given below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.